Hello everyone, welcome to Recipe Line. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make akara. Akara is a recipe that originates from Nigeria and West Africa. It can be eaten as a snack or served as breakfast. This akara recipe is crunchy, fluffy, and it is fail-proof. The first step is to peel the beans. I usually peel my beans with the blender because it's easier, but traditionally the beans is usually peeled with the hand. So you just put the beans in the blender and pulse it for like 30 seconds. So you use the pulse function of your blender and just pulse it for like 30 seconds to remove the shaft, that is the skin of the beans. Then you rinse it off like I'm doing here. So just rinse it very well until the water is clear. If you like really fluffy akara, soak the beans for a minimum of 1 hour before peeling the beans like I'm doing here. So just soak it for a minimum of 1 hour. It makes the beans softer. Then when you blend it, it becomes more aerated and more fluffy. Once the beans is properly washed, rinse your blender, add the beans back into the blender with a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper, also known as rodo in Nigeria, and onions. Blend until it's smooth. Add the blended beans, Scotch bonnet pepper, and onion to a bowl for mixing. This is where the akara making becomes fun. At this point, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, like, and turn on the notification to get new recipes weekly. The bean batter to aerate it. This step is very important to get fluffy akara, so it's important you mix it properly. You mix it in one direction to get a very fluffy and moist akara. I promised to show you a secret ingredient that makes my akara crunchy. Here it is: cornflour. So you add a bit of cornflour to the akara batter. This cornflour upgrades your akara game to another level. You would never ever want to make akara any other way once you try this method. So just adding your cornflour. Cornflour is very important to get this crunchy akara I'm telling you about. So adding your cornflour, mix it in. Your seasoning cube. I usually melt my seasoning cube with hot water so that it will mix properly with the akara batter. Add in grounded crayfish. Then mix it properly. Akara on medium-low heat. Ensure the heat is not too high to prevent the akara from getting burnt, and also to ensure that the akara is thoroughly cooked inside and outside. Every single time I fry akara, I try to get the perfect round shape, but most times it just doesn't form. If you have tips on how I can get the perfect round shape for my akara, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. I would love to know, and I'm very sure others too would love to learn from you. Our crunchy, fluffy, and delicious akara is ready. You can enjoy it alone or serve it with pap or bread. How do you like to eat your akara? Are you the team pap gang, or you are the team bread gang, or you are the team give me anyone, I will eat I will eat his gang? Drop a comment in the comment section to tell us how you